I just wrote a book in 5 days with ChatGPT, which was quite a cool experience to do so. When ChatGPT came out, within a day or two I started writing, and I basically used ChatGPT to write an entire book about future technologies that will influence our society. I asked ChatGPT which technologies are going to be important for us. It gave me a list of technologies. I edited a few of my own technologies, and then I asked for each technology, which questions do I need to ask in order to understand how this technology is going to evolve? And then it gave me a list of questions. I'll use these list of questions to then use them as prompts in ChatGPT to understand what was going to happen. And I had a dialogue with it. And I literally copied the text that it returned into my book. I didn't change any text. All I did was sort of move some sentences up and down to have a bit more structure. That's all I did. I then edited it with Grammarly. I asked it to come up with a title, a subtitle, a description for the cover, and that description for the cover I entered in Stable Diffusion to come up with this image. That took me 5 days. And when I was done, I said, well, now write me a reference of my book. And it gave me a glowing reference of the book I had just written, which sort of shows you what's possible. So why did I do this? I did this because I wanted to experiment how fast the technology, off-the-shelf technology, already is today. Is it good? Yeah, it's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's as good as my other books, but it's decent. However, there was also a lot of bullshit in it. At some point, I asked it, how did AI and robotics converge? And it stated that in the 1980s, AI and robotics converged to create self-driving cars that changed transportation. If only that was the case, that would have been, our society would look like a lot different.